The system we used before Aladtec wasn't consistent with our expectations. It didn't quite meet any other goal besides just a simple schedule display, basically. It displayed everybody's schedule, but that was as far as the system would go. With Aladtec, we were able to utilize different forms and basically to not only show schedules, but to go past that and produce reports that are useful for analytics within our department. We run the reports based off of a form. We use our daily patrol log through there. So every officer fills out a daily patrol log. So on there it'll say start time, end time, the call for service type that they're on, the location, and whether or not they're a backup officer. And that information we can't track with any other system. We use it internally to first make sure that our officers are staffed properly, that they're provided with the resources they need. And it also tells us how many officers does it take on a certain call, so that we can, as supervisors, say, if you're going to a damaged property, you don't need 2 officers. But in a situation involving alcohol or drugs, where we have certain addresses and we're able to pull up that information where it's needed 3 officers, we may send those 3 officers right away just to make sure that everyone is safe during that call. We use Aladtec to track, they're called state certified instructors. They have to attend certain classes to keep their certification all within a certain time period. In Aladtec, I can put down when they were certified as an instructor and when their certification expires, and that'll prompt me to make sure that I get them in the class, and that's a very valuable resource. And also it saves us money. If I forget to send somebody, I have to send them to the classes all over again, which can be hundreds of dollars, maybe even up to $1,000 in cost just to recertify someone. The mobile service for Aladtec is vastly superior to what we had before. I would get a request, and if I have days off and there's no other supervisor working, I would need to take care of that request. With Aladtec, I could go in there and log in within seconds and approve any time off that's on there within a minute. I can basically just click a couple buttons and it's done. The other great part of Aladtec is the support that we get. They're able to help me with any question, no matter how small or big. They either can tell me how to do it, or lots of times they offer to do it for me, and someone doing my work for me just saves me time. So I can take that anytime I can get it, and it's a great system and great people to work with.